In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile avatar on Suno AI 2025 so you can keep your online presence fresh and up to date. Now, let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type the word Suno and initiate the search. Once the results populate, look for the Suno AI website. It should be one of the top entries. Simply click on the official Suno website link to proceed. Once you're on the Suno homepage, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a small menu with various options related to your account. From this list of options, you want to select Edit Profile. Clicking here will take you to the Profile Settings page. This is where you can make various changes to your account details, including your profile picture. On the Profile Settings page, you will notice your current avatar. To update it, locate the delete icon next to your present profile picture. Clicking this will remove your current avatar, freeing up space for your new one. Once you've deleted your old avatar, you'll need to add your new profile picture. Look for the upload icon, which is typically near where your old avatar was displayed. Clicking the upload icon will prompt you to access your computer's file explorer. From here, navigate to where your new profile image is saved. Select the image you'd like to use, and once you're satisfied with your choice, click Open. This action will upload your new image into the space formerly occupied by your old avatar. Finally, to confirm your changes, locate the Save button, often found at the bottom of the page, and click it. This ensures that your new profile picture is set and visible whenever you log into Suno AI. Remember, profile pictures are the first thing people see, so choose something that represents you well. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile avatar on Suno AI 2025. By following these steps, you can easily keep your profile visually appealing